Outsurance uses the sun to reduce their carbon footprint. One of the leading brands in South Africa will in future get a significant portion of their electricity from solar. Outsurance has contracted Sonfin PTY Limited to erect a 210 kilowatt peak solar system on the roofs of their head office in Centurion. Outsurance has a reputation for revolutionary insurance products, but is very sensitive for the impact their business activities may have on the environment. Their commitment towards the environment is reflected in the level of detail in which they manage and report on their annual footprint in their annual report. Since electricity represents the largest component thereof, Outsurance is excited about the 303.52 tons with which the solar system will reduce their carbon emissions annually. The 810 solar world panels of 260 watt each carries a 30-year performance warranty and will generate approximately 316,060 kilowatt hours per annum. That will ensure that Outsurance starts realizing returns on their investments within 7 years. Sonfin is proud to support an international brand such as Outsurance to achieve their sustainability targets.